totally unacceptable. So in order to optimize the process and guarantee faster processing of the results, and to be able for us to meet our constitutional timelines for processing of the presidential results, the Commission has reviewed the results process flow as follows. 1, the returning officers who are on the queue shall proceed to hand over the original result to the National Returning Officer immediately after this announcement. Thereafter, they report to the ICT desk for verification of the transmitted results from 34As against the original from 34As. We shall have sufficient ICT desks. I believe they are there to process them immediately. And thereafter, the presidential agents will be given copies of the results from 34As and from 34Bs for their own use. And in the event that you require the original documents, they'll be available on the desks for verification. So we are simply reversing the flow of the process which is ongoing. And we believe that this will fasten the process, and we should be able to dispose of with the returning officers in the course of today so that they can go and do other duties. So thank you for your cooperation. And I want to invite Professor Agulier, who is in charge of this tallying center, to make some further announcements.
We wish to announce further changes to access to Bomas and to the National Tally Center as well. From this minute forward, this Tally Center will only allow presence of agents, of presidential agents, the people that will help them in the work that is ongoing at the floor of the Tally Center, the chief agents, the deputy chief agents,